Hey guys, Randall Cornett. One more video to close out the night. And I kind of want to share with you guys my bullish outlook on, the near-term future for AMC particularly. By no means, I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I'm a technical analysis master or genius. And really in the past, I've tried to kind of stay away from this type of video. Although there's some stuff that I've been spending the past couple month or two learning. And it's actually coming to fruition when it comes to actually plotting these charts and seeing and identifying certain traits. So one of the things I'm looking at is harmonic patterns, which is what you could see right here on my screen. You can kind of see some of these geometric shapes. And not all of them, but a lot of them can, if you match them up correctly and you can spot them, can give you an idea where the market is going. And in my opinion, and I did have some contesting views on this, but was a direct hit. So, and we're looking at the chart here on the daily, okay? And I looked, this to me is what I identified as a bearish crab pattern. And I actually drew this line when I spotted it, so this is not a line that I went back and drew. And I made a note saying we would test $34 to $37. I wrote this when the security, let me see, I actually have a Twitter. Let me see if I have it up here. Yeah, so on the 20th, you can see right here on the screen that I basically had made a post kind of identifying, or that I had already had this note built. This is the same line that you guys are seeing in the current chart. So I thought that was right on the money because we tested right where I thought we would, and we kind of consolidated around this range. So I'm happy that the patterns are kind of proving to be true in this case. But something even more interesting, I've been looking at harmonic patterns, okay? Or not, I'm sorry, I already said that, but Vortex Indicator. I've been using a Vortex Indicator pretty frequently. And what it is basically, it's a super simple indicator. It's two lines, right? One line represents a uptrend and another line represents a downtrend, right? And they're colored green and red respectively. And so we're looking at this indicator right here. If you can see my mouse, this red and green line. And historically, you can see when we have basically, when this green line topples over the red line and takes position securely, you see green action. You could see right here, green line, boom, 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 boom. And as it starts wearing off, you can kind of see the price will start going down as well. And you can kind of see how it works when it's very simple. When the red line's flipped over the green line, looks like there's a trend reversal. So when we're looking at this right now and we're primed at, and where I'm looking at this again on the daily level, look at where this Vortex indicator is right now. You are just starting to see this green line overtake the red line, kind of, pushing over it. And if we can continue this, history shows that we usually have pretty big run-ups when this happens, as the chart kind of shows us. So leads me to believe that if following these indicators is in history, that we're ready and primed for some really good bullish action. I haven't been able to identify, at least on the daily pattern, any more harmonic patterns, but as soon as I do, I will explain what I found and create a video on that. But again, right here, this simple indicator right now is showing to me, and again, this is not everything. There's a lot of other things that go into just one indicator, but history shows that we are looking for a nice positive break upwards, especially if this maintains, right? If that uptrend continues. So hopefully that gets you guys excited and juiced. I'm enthusiastic and hopeful as ever. Not in the least bit am I worried about where we're going, and I know that you guys aren't either. So happy trading. Good luck out there, guys, and I will catch you on the flip side. Love you long time. Peace.